So here we got some rib meat, and I'm gonna cut these up, and we're gonna season them. The mojo. And garlic and onion powder. All right. It's already washed and cleaned. Make these into some little cubes. I need to get some some mustard. Come on, back up, baby boy. This size is good. All right, so we about to season this meat, cut it into cubes. I'm gonna add this to it. Oh, matter of fact, we're not even gonna add none of this. A little different. Heavy on the mustard. Heavy. Garlic powder. Lots of it. Okay? Onion powder, lots of it. That's good. Alright, so. And some meat seasoning, steak meat seasoning. We're gonna add just a little bit, not too much. All right, that's good. What you doing, old man? What's going on? What you got going on over there? And then we're gonna sit this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. Make sure all the pieces get some sazon on there. I'm sticking my damn hands in there and almost. Sheesh. I end up with all the seasoning on my fingers, all in between my nails. Like, give me some gloves. All right. So we're gonna sit this in the refrigerator for like 5 hours, 5-6 hours till later on. Stay tuned. Alright, so they seasoned real good. We about to fry these things on up. I'm gonna have some salad with this. Spare ribs and salad. It's on the menu tonight. Stay tuned. Oh, yeah, chat. Hijo puta. My daddy used to say that. I miss my daddy. Man, he rest in peace, man. And his other favorite word was Sana Mabiche. Oh, he had another one, cocksucker. He was hella funny. R.I.P. Daddy. But these things right here is really good, y'all. Let's stay focused, because I'm tired of crying. Let's stay focused, y'all. Let's stay focused, chat. If y'all want me to go live, tell me. And we could just talk about this shit on live. Boy, you know why y'all back there standing up like that? 10 toes. Damn. Diddy.
So listen, hey, what's the hottest thing?
Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat. Dinner is done. I'm steady adding stuff to my salad, y'all. This stuff look good. Alright, this is the last one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.